Hi friend, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a 3D printed phone cover. So I have used fluorescent 3D printer filament to print this cover so that it will glow in blue light. And first of all I have to remove all the extended part. So from my viewpoint, hopefully it will work. So I have built this cover for iPhone. So let's see it is okay or not, the fit part is okay or not. So let's see, hopefully it will work. And so friend, you can see it is, yes, it is perfect fittings and looking very clean. So this type of cover will cost you around 40 to 50 rupees to print, or if you want to purchase this type of cover it will worth about 250 rupees. So I think it is better to build this type of cover with your own design rather than purchasing it. So you can see friend, it is glowing in blue light and it is looking amazing. So friend, it is always a satisfaction to make DIY project. So I prefer to make my own phone cover from 3D printer rather than purchasing it. So with the help of designer software you can able to design any type of cover as per your view or as per your opinion. So it will be unique, and please note, if you make your own design cover it will be unique and it will not be available anywhere in the market. So it is custom and it is very unique. So friend, you can see it is glowing and it is looking amazing. So if you use fluorescent filament